So the next program is write a C program to read a text file and convert a file contents in a capital letters. Means whatever the small letters you will write in a file. For example, in file.txt, this is a normal file. In that, what I'll do, I'll write in a small letters. For example, hello world. Understood? So sorry, world. Okay. So when you write this hello world and when you execute the code, so that time it will show you the output like this hello world in the file. Understood? So this is how we have to make, means what, the lower case letter is there, we have to make it an uppercase letter using the C programming code. So write a C program to read a text file and convert that file contents in a capital letters, that is uppercase letter. Okay, and write the contents in an output file. Means in output also we have to provide the capital letters, we have to show it as a capital letter. So now here I had given the description regarding that. In this program, user asks to convert all characters that are contained in the file to uppercase. To make this process under user need to make a file and fill up some characters in, means what, all the description I had given so that you can understand. The if condition checks whether the file exists or no. If the file does not exist, it will terminate, because so like this I had given the description, and here is the code and output is given here. One type of different output is there. So if I execute this file, it will show you hello world or something like that. Okay, so how to execute this file? stdio.h, ctype.h I have used. This is character type.h. This is a header file. In this header file, two upper, two lower, these type of functions will be there in this. Understood? Just like stdio.h header file, printf, scanf functions are there. Already written functions will be here inside. We are only accessing that functions and we are writing the code. Understood? So in the ctype.h, two upper function is there. This is bracket is known as what function. So that's why we need to use this. If I remove this line, then what happens? If I remove this line and if I try to execute the program, it will show error in this line. That two upper, I don't know what is two upper. Means compiler will tell two upper is not recognized, or you have missed some header file because we are not identifying what is two upper. So like this, it will start questioning or giving a hint, so that we need to compulsory include hash include stdio. Sorry, not stdio.h, ctype.h. So same thing. Now I have taken the file. Okay, instead of fp, again and again we have to take fp. So for that I have changed it to star f1. Understood? So now character ch f name, that is file name, and d I have taken as a variable. So next clear screen. Oh, sorry, I hope so. In this one it will not work. In Turbo C it will work clear screen, but in Ubuntu it will not work CLRS here. So that's why I have removed it. So D I have taken to convert the lower into upper, and we have to assign the upper. So for that, so I'll explain it when it comes. So now here it is the code. I have opened the file in a write mode, and I have entered f name is there. I have opened the file in a write mode, and I have entered the text, that is hello world, and that text only I'll read it. So I have opened the file. F name is the file name. Okay, in that I have opened the file and I will write hello world in a small letter, and that small letter will then read by the F1, and it will check whether the file is in a proper format or whether it is corrupted through virus. If it is not and nothing is there in the file, then it will say file can't open and it will exit. If it is there something in the file, now I have written hello world in the file. Okay, so what it will do, so every character HELLO is there, every character it will convert that into uppercase. That is done by which one? This. To upper. To upper, what it will do? So whole hello world character is there. This all character. It will convert that into, if I written like Z is equals to, if I try to print Z, it will print hello world. Understood? Why I'm writing work again. Hello world. So like this means what? To upper, what it will do, whatever the small characters are there, it will convert that into a uppercase. And after that, what it will do, it will print in the output, that is printf we have used. What it will do, it will print the output hello world, and same thing will be written in the file. Means what? Hello world, which is written in lowercase, will be replaced and written in the uppercase, that is capital letters. This is how it will work, and after that F close. While why we have used this file, this condition while, because it will start looping, and each character it will start converting into an uppercase. CH is there. CH means what it will do? F get C means what it will do? File get character means single character it will take, it will convert that into upper. Single character it will take, it will convert that into an upper. So H is the small, it will take it, it will convert that into a capital H. So like that, one by one it will start continuing to make it an uppercase after everything ends. So what happens? This, if nothing is there down here, example I am giving, if nothing is there down, then it will consider it as EOF. EOF means what? End of file. So once it is end of file, it will come outside, it will close the file. So what happening here? It is converting the file, means what? It is converting the content in the file into a uppercase, as well as what it is doing, it is printing the output HELLO, that is in a capital letters. This is printing in the output, that is in the black screen it is printing the hello world, and also in the file it is converting. Okay, just a second. So in the file it is not converting, it is reading from the file and then it is converting that into a uppercase, and it is showing in the output. Just execute this program and just check how it is working. Okay, thank you.